Hey guys, it's your girl Missy B, and I am back with another video. So, this is part 2. If you've not yet watched part 1 of this video, go check it out. Links below, or link below. Anyway, this is part 2 of me organizing / decluttering my closet / well, my clothes in general. I should say closet clothes. My wardrobe is in my closet right now, so I guess we can just say closet. Be easier on a slide might. But yeah, I finished sorting out the clothes that I want to donate. The bags are over here, and the one bag that I'm throwing away, and I have all the clothes that I want to save over here. Majority of it, that's just random clothes in the background that's not mine that I have to give back, maybe. This is just from my random drawer in the top of my closet. So yeah, that's just majority of where everything is right now. But yeah, this is just basically me kind of hanging up, folding up everything to make it look nice and neat and proper. And I also have a junk drawer at the top that I might sort out as well. I've been meaning to sort it out, and if I do end up doing it, it'll be a blessing in disguise, because honestly I don't even know what's in that drawer, to be honest with you. Anything could be in that drawer. So yeah, but like last time, I mean, Marie Kondo says that I should sort everything according to what was it, like categories, I think she said. I forgot, and not location. So I should sort everything: dresses, shirts, underwear, stuff like that. So I should do that first before I hang up anything. But I'm going to sort it out between hang clothes and fold up clothes. So I'm going to do hang clothes, and then I'm going to sort out the hang clothes and all that to make it look, like I said, as neat as possible. I'm trying to get my organization on. I love organization. So yeah guys, let's just get on with the video. Ow. Hang up. Now that I've got my thumbnail, I am just going to sort out within this pile, because once I hang up, I want to make sure that they're organized and sorted and all that. So yeah, let's do this thing. Ooh. Okay, I'm done with the jacket / sweater / whatever that is. Anyway, yeah. And I decided, if I have enough black hangers, let me do it all in black. And I'm like, there should be a thing. Like, since I have so much random colors, I should pick a category and use it for that specific color, so that I know where everything goes. You know what I mean? So next, I was going to use these dresses / body stuff, anything that just isn't one with white. But I might do that with my shirts, just because I think that's a lot of more shirts than there is dresses. I don't know, but I might do my dresses in blue and my shirts in white, and then we'll figure out the rest. Yeah, my jeans / pants are probably going to be mixed matched, like every other color besides the blue, black, and white, but we'll see. But yeah, I'm just gonna get a big chunk of this done, and then I'll come back, because I've been recording for quite some time. Even though majority of it is going to be cut down, it's going to take a while. So yeah, whew. Finished with dresses, bodysuits, anything like that. It's right here. The only thing that is, I decided to do blue and green for the theme. Did it rhyme? I think it did. Anyway, the only thing that isn't blue green is this pink what you would call it, like, oh yeah, like a pink robe, a night robe that I sometimes wear. But you know, it's not really a dress or a bodysuit, so it's like on its own category. So I technically fit everything in blue and green. So yeah. Next, are gonna be the whites, and I have a lot of white hangers just chilling. So I might use them for my pants too, because this is a lot of white hangers. So yeah, let's get it started. Okay guys, I finished hanging up, so you get a sneak peek, but not the full thing until I'm done. I promise I will show you guys my junk drawer. See, I can't even pull this thing out. That's how junky it is. Well, that and because I use shoes, I use like the shoe box as a divider. A little hack for you guys if you don't know, but I'm gonna have to replace that because it's old. But yeah, this is just a lot, and I just need to get rid of like majority of it and put things where it's supposed to be. Like I could leave my old light and my old camera thing. It was a webcam that I used to use for my YouTube video way back in the day, but I know that people use it for gaming, which I might start using because I look-key might want to make a channel, so this might be good for that. Records in 180p, so that should be good. But yeah, like I say, this thing is all ratted and tatted, and I have a new one up here that I can use because I got new shoes. So yeah, better. But yeah, I'm just going to clear this out after I finish folding my clothes. But I just want to show you guys so that at the end when I reveal everything, you see a little sneak peek at the back. But yeah, when I show you everything, it's gonna be awesome. Everything is awesome. Everything is cool when you... I don't know, I forgot the last part, but anyway, you guys know what I'm talking about. So good to be done. I can't wait to show you the final product of everything. It's currently 8:10. It took me 4 hours to do all of that. Whew, my back, oh whoops, sorry, my back is killing me. My eyes are irritated because of dust. My throat is like closed up too because of the dust. It's just, it's a mess, but I'm glad that I got it done today. That officially means that I got everything I want to accomplish today, which I am very happy. If you guys are procrastinating doing your to-do list, do it. Just do it. You'll feel better afterwards, trust me. But anyway, let me just stop rambling on. Let me just show you the final product, which you want to see. So yeah, let me show you that. Okay, this is the box, the overcrowded box. I was literally falling earlier. I have my daddy's baked shirts that I like to wear sometimes at night. This Burger King shirt, I decided, you know, just keep it, whatever. These are some of my sister's little clothes that when she comes over she can wear them. Bathing suits, the 2 belts that I decided to save. Don't worry about that. That came out of my junk drawer. I'm gonna give my sister that so she can use that to color. The closet, everything in white, the majority of everything in the white hangers, my shirts, my jeans, nothing in a particular color code. I just decided not to do that. My jackets, sweaters, etc. in the black, and then dresses and just like random colors. So yeah. And then my drawer, These are basically, I know, right? They look so good. They look so good. My underwear, and then my night stuff. I like to wear these at night. Workout tops, bras without like what do I call it? Sleeve bras without these on it. I forgot, but yeah, sticky bras. I actually found this in my junk drawer. I was so happy. These are like, yeah, also underwear. My shirts. I found my zombie shirt. Oh my god, I haven't seen this in years. I was so happy when I found it. But yeah, these are my shirts. This drawer was really overcrowded. Like I had to put one on top of the other, but now they're all in just like, I could see them all. It's like, feels so good. Next are pants. These are like workout / black leggings, short shorts, just like random pants, jean shorts, night pants, big fluffy night pants, and my 2 short night pants in the back there. That drawer is just like for random stuff that I have. Well, actually the bottom drawer is keep my blankets in, so that's not really, I didn't do anything with that drawer, so I don't need to show it. But the moment of truth, guys, my junk drawer. Oh my god. Okay, let me just show you guys. It pulls out with no like tugging. You remember, like I was tugging when I had to pull that out, but yeah, I'm so happy I don't. Some random stuff like my passport and ID stuff. Sentimental things here. I told you I want to keep these 2 here. These are like these 2 jewelry. I found some flashcards, my old geometry set, my old SAT, some DVDs, and these are my electronic bag. But look how clear this looks. I'm so happy. Next, I'm gonna have to tackle like the top of this because this is just like a mess. My battery's literally about to die, so I should probably end the video here. But let me just turn around. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and want more of this type of content, because I will really do it if you guys really want it. And like I said, do your to-do list if you have to, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. And that's me. Peace.